G'day, I'm Jono, a 25-year-old Aussie.
I love cycling, love being outdoors, and helping people connect with nature.
And I love trees. Tasty trees.
Helping people and myself sustain our environment and our society. I really think I'd enjoy this trip and meeting hundreds of people. My last job I met 180 people in 3 months. It's quite a few, but very sort of uplifting feeling being able to touch all those people and help them in some way and share their ideas, share their thoughts and perceptions on how we can change our society to help sustain our environment.